Heavy users of Claude Code report spending $100 to $200 in a single day. One developer burned $175 in 4 hours refactoring a medium code base. Monthly bills over $500. That's because agentic workflows are token hogs. Every file read, every edit, every shell command costs tokens. Claude Code is Anthropic's agentic CLI tool, not an autocomplete engine like Copilot, not an IDE plugin like Cursor, a standalone terminal agent. You give it a goal and it reads your project, edits files across modules, runs commands, and debugs its own output. Think senior engineer and your terminal. But every step burns tokens. What if you ran the same tool against the local model? Zero marginal cost per query. Source code never leaves your machine, works offline. Ollama exposes an OpenAI-compatible API on localhost port 1143.4. Claude Code supports third-party providers through that same interface. Flip a config flag, and every request routes to a free local model. Claude Code constructs prompts in OpenAI chat format and sends them to whatever endpoint you configure. Point it at localhost 1143.4/v1. Ollama handles inference and returns completions. Claude Code thinks it talks to an API provider. The model just handles standard requests. The orchestration is invisible. Here's the hardware reality. 7 billion parameter models at Q4 need 16 gigs of free RAM. 13 billion models need 32 gigs. 30 billion plus wants 64 gigs or a GPU. Ollama supports NVIDIA via CUDA, Apple Silicon via Metal, AMD via ROCm. Model files are 4 to 10 gigs on disk. Memory is your bottleneck. Setup takes 10 minutes. Install Ollama. On macOS, it's brew install Ollama. On Linux, the official install script. Start the server. Verify port 11434. Then pull a coding model. The best balance of quality and resources is Qwen 2.5 Coder 7 billion. It handles multi-file edits in Python, TypeScript, and Go with fewer syntax errors than other models in this range. Before touching Claude Code, test the endpoint. Curl localhost 11434/v1/chat completions with a test prompt. Connection refused means Ollama isn't running. Model not found means the name doesn't match. A valid JSON response means you're ready. This one command saves you 30 minutes of head-scratching later. Install Claude Code globally. npm install-g at anthropic-ai/claude-code. Check the version with Claude-version. The environment variable names change between releases, so always run Claude-help to confirm what your version supports. Don't skip this step. Here's the config. First, unset Anthropic. API-KE if you have it. Leaving it set can silently route to the paid API and cost you money. Then export 4 variables. Open. API-KE set to a placeholder. Apro-P. Bezier L set to localhost 114334/v1. Claude Code Juice open. I set to 1. A Claude model set to Qwen 2.5 Coder, exactly as it appears in Ollama list. Launch Claude Code in a project directory. The startup output should show your local model name. That's a good sign, but not proof. Run lesf-i:14334 in another terminal. If you see an established TCP connection to 127.eo.eo.1, every request hits your local model. No connection means it's still hitting Anthropic servers and you're still paying. Test it on a real project. Scaffold. Vite React. Add Express. Prompt. Claude Code to add a health endpoint and a React component. With Qwen 22w5 Coder, both files generate correctly on the first attempt. The server gets a health route. The component handles loading and errors. Single file edits like this work well. Local models in the 7 to 14 billion range handle boilerplate, CRUD endpoints, component creation, test scaffolding, and straightforward refactoring well. For isolated single-file tasks, they produce usable output on the first try. Where they fall short is complex multi-file reasoning and large context understanding. Here's the honest trade-off. Local models don't match Claude Sonnet 4 or Opus in complex multi-file reasoning, nuanced architectural decisions, or large context understanding. Sonnet correctly traces cross-module type errors that Qwen 2.5 Coder misses. For deep contextual reasoning across thousands of lines, the quality gap is real. You're trading capability for cost. You can tune performance, set Ollama num parallel for concurrent requests, increase context through a model file, not a shell export. Set parameter numtext 892, create a new model. For GPU users, parameter numGPU controls layer offloading. Each tweak trades memory for speed. Watch your available RAM. Model choice is critical. Qwen 2.5 Coder 7B is the best all-rounder. Llama 3418B is fast but lower quality. DeepSeek Coder V2 at 6B handles complex tasks but needs 32 gigs. Code Llama 34B approaches sonic quality on some tasks but needs 64 gigs. Keep multiple models pulled and switch based on task. The real answer is a hybrid approach. Default to local for routine work. Boilerplate, tests, refactoring, code review. Switch to the Anthropic API for complex tasks. Multi-file changes with deep cross-module reasoning. Architectural calls, production code. You capture most cost savings while keeping frontier quality accessible when it matters. 2 more advantages: privacy and offline capability. Your source code never leaves your machine. For proprietary codebases and regulated environments, that's a requirement, not a perk, and it works without internet. On a plane, in a coffee shop with bad Wi-Fi, during an outage, your coding agent keeps working. Full checklist. Install Ollama, pull Qwen 2.5 Coder, test the API endpoint, install Claude Code globally, unset Anthropic API KE, export the 4 config variables, launch Claude Code, and verify routing with LSOF. Run a test prompt, 10 minutes and you have a local coding agent with 0 marginal cost per query. Link to both tools in the description. The full walkthrough from SitePoint has every command if you want the deep reference. So what's your take? Are local models good enough for your daily workflow, or do you still reach for the API?